Spending too much time creating lessons? Managing lesson content shouldn't be this complicated. Meet Academy LMS. Build lessons faster and easier. Open WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Lessons section. Add new lessons. You have the option to make the screen size as you want. You can add the lesson title, content, if you scroll down a bit, and featured image in the lesson section. Video source, playback time, and attachment. Click the Update Lessons button. Reuse lessons. From the Courses menu, open a course where you want to reuse a lesson. Let's go to the Academy LMS Course Builder. Reuse lessons by building from existing ones. You can reuse lessons. Search for a lesson you want to reuse. Modify the lesson description and title as per your needs. Checkmark the lesson. The lesson will be added to your course. Multiple course assign. From the Courses menu, open a course where you want to multiple course assign. Let's go to the Academy LMS Course Builder. Show how to multiple course assign by building from existing ones. Choose the lessons. Checkmark the lesson. The lesson will be added to your course. Build lessons faster with Academy LMS.